All right, you ready to sit in your chair? Let me show you guys how interesting this is. Interesting design, super compact. Because we go to 7-Eleven and restaurants and just eating out so often, we haven't been going to the grocery stores as much as I would normally go to. Let me just bring you along my grocery store visit to stock up on things for the last part of our trip. This is so funny. It's so funny how low you are. You might as well just walk. You want to walk with Daddy, or you want to sit in the chair? You're gonna walk? Okay. All right, so the first thing we're gonna get is milk. Our favorite brand, and
I'm gonna choose that.
okay, go ahead, put it in the cart, please. Thank you. Put it right on the bottom. Why on the top? The bottom. There you go. Yeah, no, the bottom. There you go. Good job. I saw the guys at the cafe using this brand for when they steam milk for latte art. So, you want to get some Yakult? Look, it's different kind of packaging here. It's all in Japanese. We're gonna also get some yogurt. This is the brand we're gonna get. It's just plain yogurt, so we like to put jam. Here, get this one and put it in the bottom, please. Thank you. Look at this. I've been wanting to make the omelet from the show The Bear, so I'll get that too. That means we gotta get sour cream and onion chips as well. I think this is brie. They love their brie. They love their cheeses here. I guess anywhere in the world they love their cheese. So pesto and cheese combo. Okay, that's cool. Brie, lots of brie. I think this is a soft cheese. Oh, you know, there's a cheese I really like. I believe it's this one. As a kid, my grandma here, or as I would say, Obachan, my Obachan, used to buy that cheese for me, so I'm gonna get it for the kids. Hopefully they like it with toast or something. One thing about their beer, it's really good, but they don't have a lot of craft beer. That is something that's fairly new. There is one brand that I've seen in the States, right here. It's very expensive though. You're talking here, it's only maybe $2-3, which is kind of a lot for a can of beer. But in the United States, these beers can easily be $5 or $6. Really popular, Asahi, and look how small the can is. Tell me that ain't perfect. We should get this. Sometimes you only want a quick drink with your food. You don't really want to drink too much, or maybe definitely not get buzzed. Tiny little can is perfect for that. I'll get a couple of these. I'm gonna get one. I like the Keating. Also Asahi, my personal favorite. Ibisu, that's also good too. You don't find this very often in America, but it's good. Oh yeah, right here, Sapporo. Solid. You know what? I kind of want to just try this. That looks kind of good. What? Red Eye? Huh. Maybe something you drink in the morning. Maybe it's beer mixed with tomato juice. That is new to me.
I don't like tomato juice.
Oh, you don't like that? Okay. Tomato juice is gross? Have you had tomato juice though?
No.
Okay, let's go. Guess what section we're in right now? Crackers, specifically osembe. You want to get an osembe?
It's spicy.
Not spicy. Want to get it?
Yeah.
Okay, go put it in the bottom. Ooh, do you recognize this one right here? You guys like this one still? You don't like that one anymore? Okay. Oh, this is a good one right here. I think the girls would love this one. They'll blast through that easily. Let's get 2 of them. They got a lot of different potato chips here, ones I've never seen. I don't even see an American brand here. Sour cream and onion. That's the one I wanted to get. Let's get 3 of these. Here's more for the omelet I want to make. Leah's found some Pringles looking thing. Look, there's Pringles over here too. What flavor do you want? You want cheese, sour cream, or do you want just normal?
I like cheese.
You want cheese? Okay, go ahead and grab it. We'll try it. Or it says consomme on it. I don't know what that is.
I want normal.
You want normal? Okay. Yeah, that one. Go ahead and put it in the cart. Okay, these are fun. So these little corn chips. Do we have these? Look at that. Does that look fun? We're going chips galore right now. Of course, they've got lots of shrimp chips. or at least shrimp flavored chips. These look like the high-end stuff. These are good pizza flavored chips. So the juices here are next level delicious. First off, look at how many tomato juice options they have. You want to buy that? Okay, go ahead. You can grab one, okay? And one for Bella too.
Wait for Bella.
Yeah.
Bella,
There you go. Does she like that one? I don't even know what that is, but go ahead. Put it in the cart. It's juice? Oh, I don't know if it's juice though. Okay, I just realized there's these arrows that signal what direction you should be going in. So that's the direction to keep the flow. Now we're gonna get some eggs. Maybe we should pick up some lunch, and I'm thinking this sushi right here looks pretty bomb. Yeah?
Can I buy this for Mommy?
Oh, I think Mommy would love that. Go ahead, grab one of those. Mommy will love that one. How about you grab that one and the salad? Both of them, okay? Put it in the cart. Thank you. Perfect. Let's see what she picked. Oh yeah, that's hearty. I like that. Nice and healthy. Okay, I was totally wrong about this because look, the arrow is pointing the opposite direction of that arrow, so maybe that's not what it's for. Thank you for helping me out. Cup of noodles. Let's get some flavors here.
I like that one.
Curry? You want curry? Okay, you can grab the curry one. Let's get you a regular flavor too. There you go. You put it in the bottom, okay? Seafood. This is really common here. Oh, interesting. What is this? Shrimp? Here we go. Let's get this one. Here, put that one down there for somebody. Frozen pizzas? Or is he? Oh, it's not frozen. This is fresh pizza. Wow. Okay, that's the first time I've ever seen fresh pizza packaged like that. Bacon, of course, spinach, and then cheese. That's interesting. Pre-made pancakes. Cute. Got naan. But look at these corn dogs. Oh my gosh, the girls would probably love corn dogs. Shoot, I almost feel like I should just get those because that's so cute. This is very popular in vending machines. And this is the first time I'm seeing it here. Corn soup in a big carton. They got a small carton too, but you can buy these at a lot of vending machines. We had to go on the escalator and ditch the cart. Do you love escalators? I know you do. You love them. So this is more like it. You have this upstairs, the produce on the second floor. I'm definitely gonna grab some green onions. Can you put that in there for me, please? Thank you. A little helper. It is tempting to buy the pre-shredded stuff though, because it's just so much more convenient. Oh look, they have two different sizes. Just the whites and just the green tips. This is the most bomb apple juice ever, and it's in a glass bottle, and they have both green and red, so we're gonna get at least one of these for sure. Want some juice, girl? More grapes? Okay, go ahead, grab one thing of grapes. Thank you. Yep, put it in the cart, please. Here, let's get a whole bunch of these, because you and your sisters eat a lot. Go ahead. The seafood here is so amazing. You can get your own sashimi. Slice it at home. Probably way cheaper. Not as convenient, obviously, but, well, kind of convenient. You can do it at home. Pre-sliced as well. Wow. Okay, Leah. You want this? You want the shrimp?
No.
You don't want shrimp for lunch? Okay. Another one of my favorites is pickled plums. They call this umeboshi. They take plums and they put it into salt, dries up, kind of, it removes a lot of moisture and turns into this pickle, which is so awesome. I'm assuming this one is a sweet one and this one's a little more sour, but with rice, bomb. It's very common to have kimchi in Japan even though, of course, Korea probably does it the best. Look at this one. This is all packaged. Oh, nice. Oh, that looks so good. I would love to eat that with rice. Look at all the natto. All this is natto. Which one are you gonna get? You gonna get this one? Okay, go ahead, put that in the cart too. Jeez Louise, we're getting a lot of food right now. Go ahead. Curry, anyone? Lots of curry. This is all curry and other pre-prepared foods. Oh, dang, that's a fancy curry. Kobe beef? I wonder if this has the beef already in it, because they do have that. These ones look really good. Is that the one you're gonna get? Okay. Of course, you've gotta stock up on bananas. I wonder if these are the banana guys. I think oranges are in season. I saw an orange tree the other day, and that explains why there's so many oranges here. One thing I've noticed, they have easy peel oranges. Almost none of them are hard to peel. So we always like to get our tomatoes. They've got a really big selection. Is that the one you're gonna get? Okay. How about that one? How about we get that one and we try a different one? Maybe these grape tomatoes too. This one too. They look really good, really red. So one last thing I'm gonna get is this pre-made rice, just because it's just fast and easy. We filled up that basket. Doing a good job, girl. Like this. Right, go ahead, push it in slowly. There you go.
Whoa!
There you go.